Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. So as y'all can already see from the title, in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing for my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am super duper excited. I just got the phone earlier today, except it won't be like the real legit unboxing because they had to keep the box there. But I'm going to get into that story in just a minute. So as you guys can see, I have two bags behind me. One is for the iPhone XR and that bag is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I didn't have any intentions of going into Apple Store today, purchasing a new phone whatsoever. Yesterday, I was trying to look on the app just to see the price range of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but I wasn't allowed to do that because they were doing something with the app. You pretty much have to make an appointment if you want to go inside Apple Store to shop, pick up your product, or to speak with somebody. I had an appointment today in the Apple Store for 4:15 p.m. I just wanted to speak with someone to see what the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12 would cost if I was going to exchange my iPhone XR. So the guy met with me. He was showing me all of the good things that the iPhone 12 had to offer. Between the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max was the two options. He was like, well, when did you get the phone? And I was like, I just got the XR last month on March 15th. He was like, I think we could work with you. We usually try to stick with 30 days and whatnot, but since you're only a week over, let me see what I can do. So I was like, okay. So he comes back to me and he tells me, yeah, I think I can go ahead and exchange your XR for the 12 Pro. I had started with the 12 Pro and I compared it to my XR, and just to be honest, the 12 Pro looks slightly smaller than the XR, and I wasn't feeling that just because I really didn't want a smaller phone. So I was asking him what would be the difference between the 12 Pro Max and the 12 Pro as far as price range, and he said it would be $100. So I was like, well, why wouldn't I get the 12 Pro? So anyways, that's the direction I went, which is that bag over there, the 12 Pro. I was like, so what would the gig be and whatnot? 128 gig is what you would get for the 12 Pro Max. And I was like, I'm cool with that. The phone I got is a silver, but it pretty much looks white to me. Apparently the Lord led me to get a new iPhone 12 Pro Max. It was unexpected, and I literally cried on the way home because I didn't have any intentions. As far as pricing goes, if you guys watch my unboxing for my XR, I paid $550 for the 128 gig, but it came up to $590 after tax. Basically, I returned my iPhone XR. This is my iPhone XR box. If I would have bought this back in, then I would have got my box to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that is the only memories that we have left of her. Okay, so this is basically all you get in the 12 Pro Max box. You get the lightning cord and you get the sticker. You're not really missing much of an unboxing. The only thing you're not seeing is me taking the plastic off and opening the box, but the box is exactly the same pretty much. You get what you see in this box, and this is the XR box. This is the paper of the gift card that he returned my iPhone XR on, but he let me keep it because it has the Apple sticker on it, and I thought this was pretty neat. So I'm just gonna keep that like a little souvenir. Who would have thought I would be walking around with the iPhone 12 Pro Max?
Not the iPhone 12 mini, not the iPhone 12, not the iPhone 12 Pro, but the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Like, I'm recording on my 7 Plus right now, so you guys can't even get the full experience with me, but we're gonna make this work, okay? So again, this is the silver 128 gig iPhone 12 Pro Max. And he showed me the camera functions and as far as zooming in and out and everything like that. And it was everything that I could ever imagine. The sides of this, is it chrome or what? It kind of got like a mirror reflection. Look, you can even see me in there. So that is pretty cool. I really don't want to touch the phone too much just because she's new. I had just learned all of the functions for my XR. Bro, if you watch this video, he does not know that I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I told him in the store that I was going for the iPhone 12 Pro. So when you see this video, I actually got the 12 Pro Max. Wow, we're going to take a moment of silence. Hello. I'm going to have to set it up manually. Like I said, he had to keep my iPhone XR because it was returned in order to get my 12 Pro Max. I'm so excited I could say that. I hate that part so much. Like, why? Why do we have to do that? Right now, I am signing into my Apple ID. Like, y'all, I am so excited. Like,
I got an iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
get it together. Get it together. I can't because right now, hey Siri is ready. No, we're not sharing any activity over here. That is what we have going on right now. This is going to take a very long time to restore everything from my iPhone XR. I know this too well because it took all night last time. This is like the same time. Anyways. This is like the same time that I did my unboxing for my iPhone XR a month ago. So I know this is going to take all night because of my Wi-Fi. It isn't the best. Y'all already know that I'm going to get me a new phone case. She absolutely cannot be running around here naked. We don't do that. These are the 3 iPhone XR cases that I just bought for my iPhone XR. As y'all can see, they are all clear cases. I really wanted to see the white background of my phone. I'm going to let you guys go here, but if you, I know so many of you guys have commented on the other video about the XR. It made me feel so happy that you guys were getting the XR like me, but sadly I left the XR. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't already, and make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you don't miss when I post my next video. I will see you in my next video. Peace.